Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to use auto layout in Figma. Auto layout is a feature that allows frames to adapt to the content inside them. Today, we'll learn how to use it. Let's create a new piece of type. There are a few ways to add auto layout to an object. Use the shortcut Shift+A or right-click and find the Add Auto Layout option. This has now become a frame with auto layout. You can see the properties in the panel on the right. Add some color and borders to make it look good. Now, you can type whatever you want, and it will adapt. You can also adjust the properties to change padding uniformly or individually. Here are some avatars inside a frame. Another way to add auto layout is by clicking the plus sign in the right panel. Our frame changes size, and we now have parameters to adjust spacing between objects, giving them more space or changing their layout. Play with alignment so the objects stick to the container as you want. Click the drop-down to select auto spacing mode or type a value into the input box. If you want some overlap, set the spacing value to a negative number. Control how these objects overlap by changing the canvas stacking setting from last on top to first on top in the menu. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.